Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video episode of Coin Sutra, and this one is going to be very interesting. I have to warn you, this is going to be long, but it's going to be worth it. If you ever thought about doing, liquidity mining, providing liquidity to a protocol and earn a commission on at the top of it, or if you wanted to basically start farming on Binance Smart Chain, this video tutorial is for you. Now, in the past, I've actually talked about a lot of things around this, but they were all in bits and pieces. For example, I talked about MetaMask beginners tutorial, which is actually the wallet we are going to use for this, this mega guide. Then how to use MetaMask with hardware wallet and how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. Now this video is going to be sum up of everything, and I'm actually going to be using Beefy.finance, which is a yield optimizer platform on Binance Smart Chain. So basically we'll be providing, we'll be adding fund to Beefy.finance and you will be earning an interest on it. Now just to give you a background, Beefy.finance utilizes another yield farming platform like AutoFarm, Venus, and few others to provide you better return. And think of Beefy.finance is a layer at the top of AutoFarm and other Binance Pancake Swap and other Binance Smart Chain project. Now, if you have not gone through what Beefy.finance is, I highly recommend you to read our guide on Beefy.finance. And if you understand what Beefy.finance is and you want to learn something new, so grab a cup of coffee and follow this tutorial from starting to end. You are going to learn something very interesting. Now, if I understand you may have certain question, so feel free to ask those questions in the comment section, and I'll reply to those comment. And if required, I'll make another video to help you understand the concept really well. So without further delay, let's go ahead. Let's learn everything about Beefy.finance, Binance Smart Chain, and using MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain. So let's go ahead. Let's do this. All right. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to install MetaMask. MetaMask is basically a browser-based Ethereum wallet. So I'm using Brave browser. You might be using Chrome or Firefox, or even if you are using Edge browser, you just need to follow the same steps. So the very first thing you need to do is install the MetaMask wallet. So let me quickly do that. So MetaMask wallet has been installed. Now this is the setup part. So let's click on get started. Now you have two options here. You can import a wallet or you can create a new wallet. Now in this case, we are creating a new wallet. So let's click on create a wallet. You can provide this anonymous data for them to improve the MetaMask wallet. Now I usually want to keep my privacy secure. So I would recommend you to select no thanks. And this is here you'll create one password. Now this is a different password than the seed word. You'll be using this password once in a while to log into your MetaMask wallet. So let me quickly do that. All right, and click on create. Now you will be getting your backup phrase. These are the seed word. Now what happens if sometime your system crashes or you lose access to your system? Using this seed word, you will be able to restore your wallet on any other mobile wallet or on different device as well. So this is very important. Now, one piece of advice is do not store this seed word online. Take a piece of paper and write down the piece of paper. Now, I'm not creating a copy right now. I can always go back and create a copy from the settings. I can, see this, reveal the seed word by going to settings. So I will do this later on because I know all of you are watching right now. So jokes apart, let's click on remind me later and move next. But for you, it's very important that you make a copy of seed word right away. Store it at a secure place. A piece of paper is the best place, or you can also use there are those crypto steel devices that you can order online and you can store your seed word in that. So let's close this. Now this is what MetaMask wallet looks like. Now by default it is using Ethereum chain. What you need to do is you need to add Binance Smart Chain on this. And to do this, what you need to do is you need to click on this icon, click on settings, and here click on networks. Now you can see your Ethereum mainnet is here. There are different other network are also here. Now click on add network. And there is this tutorial by Binance Academy, which shows you the all the detail that you need to put in here to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask wallet. So let me quickly do that. So network name is Smart Chain. All right. Okay. Chain ID is 56. Let's do that. And Explorer URL is bscscan.com. So pretty much that's it. Now click on save and Binance Smart Chain has been added here. Now by default it has moved to Binance Smart Chain. Now this is something that you need to do here. Okay. So anytime you can click on MetaMask to see the icon, and this is how the wallet looks like. And at the top here, this is your wallet address. Now, one thing which you need to know, this wallet address remains the same. Like what your Ethereum wallet address is, even Binance Smart Chain wallet address will be the same. But here is the most important thing. You need to add Binance BNB coin on Binance Smart Chain to start using the network. If you don't have BNB coin, you would not be able to use the Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask or on Trust Wallet. But the most important thing is when you're withdrawing your BNB coin, you need to be withdrawing BEP20 token rather than BP2 token. I know it sounds confusing, but let's have a look. Let's understand how it works. So let me copy the clipboard address. And here is my Binance account where I can I just need to add the BNB address, which I got by clicking on here. Let me add it here. Okay. So this is, you can copy the account address by clicking here. You pasted the address here. Now you can see there are two options. One is BNB BEP2. Another one is Binance Smart Chain BEP20. It's very important that you withdraw BEP20 and not BEP2. This is a mistake a lot of people make, and they get confused, like they're unable to access Beefy.finance or other Binance Smart Chain network. So let's select this. Let's withdraw 0.2 BNB and let's click on submit. Now I'll just fill up the 2FA and other factors, so it might take 1 minute. Alright, so I've just withdrawn 0.2 BNB. Now this BNB will be used to pay the gas fee. And what we are doing essentially here is that we'll be withdrawing another token, let's say 1-inch token, which has been recently migrated to Binance Smart Chain. And we'll be putting this on Beefy.finance for yield optimizer. And we'll be earning about 120 or 130% APY. That we'll have to see. And you'll be also learning how you can use Beefy.finance for staking other coin and earning a yield at the top of it. All right, so this might take few time, but what we'll do is in between we'll also withdraw 1-inch. So we have few 1-inch here. So let's just copy the address. Let's do the same process here. Let's copy the address. Again, you'll see this two option when you're withdrawing a token. In this case, it's BP20 and Ethereum. And this is one of the reasons that Binance Smart Chain is becoming so popular is right here. To withdraw 1-inch token, if I'm withdrawing it on Ethereum blockchain, it's costing me $17. Whereas on Binance Smart Chain, it's costing only 24 cents, which is pretty cheap considering when we compare it with Ethereum. And this is one of the reasons Binance Smart Chain is going places. And that's one of the reason people are looking at another solution like ADA or DOT or Solana. But I still feel like Ethereum has the largest community, and it's just matter of time as Ethereum will grow, the gas fees problem would not be there. But till then, it's always good to learn about other chain, and because it's all technology and a lot of new changes will keep happening. So as long as you keeping yourself updated with all this new blockchain and not limiting yourself to only Bitcoin or Ethereum, you are growing in this industry. Anyways, so I've just added the 1-inch address, selected the BP20. Let's make it 10 and click on. All right, so I've withdrawn 1-inch also. Now let's check our wallet to see the status. So we have not received anything yet. click on view on Explorer to see if there is any receiving here or not. So nothing so far. Okay, so we need to wait for probably 1 or 2 minutes for this token to show up on our MetaMask wallet. Once it's shown up, then we'll move ahead and we'll do some more interesting stuff. So let's wait for few minutes. Now, meanwhile, if you don't have BNB token, you can buy BNB token on Binance, which is one of the most popular crypto exchange. You can find the link for Binance exchange in the description. It's a special link which will help you to save 20% on trading fee forever, which is the best deal that you can get from CoinSutra or from anywhere. While the withdrawal is happening, let me show you one very interesting thing. This is something many of you might be knowing. In case if you don't know it, it will add value to your journey. So go to coingecko.com and type BNB. So this is the token that we are looking to buy for an example. And here click on markets. Now this is where you can see on which all exchanges particular token is available. So we can see that BNB token is available on Binance. Then it's also available on FTX. It's also available on Changelly Pro, Hit BTC. And then there are many other tokens. You can also see, the volume data, which gives you an idea which is the most popular exchange for particular token. For example, for the BNB USDT pair, which is the most popular pair, 45% volume is happening on Binance Smart Chain. And we can, after Binance, Dcoin is another very popular exchange. VCC exchange is another very popular exchange. I've never heard of these two, but this will give you an idea. Another interesting thing is, let's say there is a token called BRI token, which is buried data token, which is only on Binance Smart Chain. Now, if you wish to add this token to your MetaMask wallet, you can click on this add to MetaMask and simply add token, and it would be added here. Perfect. So this is how basically this whole mechanism of moving your token from your exchange to MetaMask works. There is also Binance Bridge, which is also helpful if you are moving your token from Ethereum chain to Binance Smart Chain. I would talk about that in the some other video, which is especially useful if you are using any local exchange where you don't have option to withdraw directly in the form of BEP20. The most important thing here is that you'll be withdrawing fund in BEP20 token format. If you miss that, you'll be stuck in problem, and then you'll be looking for support. But anyways, if you get stuck, no problem. You can ask anything to us on our Telegram group or on our Facebook group or also on our YouTube channel. There are plenty of choices. All right, so I could see BNB has been transferred. Okay, and 1 inch has also been transferred. So let's see. Okay, so I could see BNB token. I can't see 1 inch yet. Let's see if we need to add this here. So let's click on add to MetaMask. Okay. So it should show up any minute over here. Anyways, while we wait for it to show up, this Ethereum scan BSC scan is already showing that the token has been added. Okay. So the next step is to go to Biffy.finance, and this is what Biffy.finance looks like. So let's refresh this page. Let me close these tabs and then click on launch app and click on wallet. Let's click on MetaMask, click on next and connect. Now this is how Biffy.finance will connect to your MetaMask wallet. You can use the same process using any mobile wallet, like Trust is a very popular wallet that you can use if you want to use a mobile wallet. But anyways, let's check this. All right, so now our Biffy.finance is connected with our MetaMask wallet. There are a few things you can do here. You can click on hide zero balance. Okay, sure. And you can remove this. So what it would show now is, and vault type should be single asset. Now you can, of course you can play with more settings to explore everything of your own. But in this case, what we are doing is we have 1 inch token, which is getting an APY of 173%, which is significant. The daily APY is 0.28%. And if we add BNB is getting about 30.91% APY, which is also significant. So to add this token for farming, what you need to do is just click on the token, okay, add to 100% and click on approve. You need to allow this transaction on your MetaMask, so click on confirm and then give it like few seconds of time. All right, so approval is success. Now we need to probably add fund. Like the first time is the approval that you want to allow this contract, and then let's click on deposit all. Another approval. This is the gas fee that we would be paying. If we would be using Ethereum, we would be paying a significant amount of gas. But since we are using Binance Smart Chain, the gas fee is negligible. So click on confirm, and that's it. This will be added in a bit. Now, while it's being added, so deposit has been successful, and you can see the deposit has been successful. We have just added 10 1-inch, which is earning about 173.48% APY, which is significant in my opinion. Well, that's how you start, farming on yield optimizing on Bifi.finance. This is the most simplest way to get started. You can also use, instead of MetaMask, you can also use Trust Wallet if you like. You can use any other supported wallet which supports Binance Smart Chain. But the key here is when you're withdrawing fund, make sure you are using BEP20, not using BEP2 or Ethereum. This is a mistake a lot of users make, and they get stuck. In the whole process. That's all about Bifi.finance. It's an amazing platform. It's a great way to also learn about farming while not paying a shit lot of money on gas fee, which is a problem with Ethereum right now. And hopefully that will be resolved soon. But pretty much that's all you need to know about Bifi.finance. Do check out my other videos on CoinSutra YouTube channel, which will help you to understand more about practical use cases of cryptocurrency. You'll be doing so many smart things with cryptocurrencies once you done watching all the videos on CoinSutra YouTube channel. And if you have a video request, let me know in the comment section. That would give us new ideas. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh from CoinSutra.